goodbye. Hello friends, today, how to make wavy hair with a press machine. We will explain it in detail. First, we straighten the hair straight one way with blow dryer. Then starting from the neck sparrow, either too thick nor too thin with our finger. Taking the way, outside, swiping outward, with straightener by giving wave. As you can see, natural waves. We ka. You also have this style. If you want to do it, you will fix the hair first. Later, piece by piece thick, you can also get it. You can also get, as you can see here, starting from the bottom, dips. And you do it downwards and outwards. Outward. Falling a little also more scrolling down. And when you slide to the ends. Friends doing this kind of work. When you come to the left from the bottom, the one on the right to the right. You have to do it from the inside out in one way. As you can see, starting from the bottom. And I apply it with scrolling technique. Friends, look as you can see here from the inside out. The left side from the inside out backwards. We apply wave operatio. By applying one such process, you can add movement to hair in one way very easily. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Friends, I would be very pleased if you like my video. You also like this one hair. If you want to designate, coming to my living room above Istanbul certain from me. Haircut, coloring and other. You can get service. I can also serve in hairdressing. In which direction does he divide it after that? When hair comes in front of them, the natural separation of hair. We apply waves. Decide which direction to take and we can open with our finger. We can also open it with a comb if we want. As you can see, moving from the bottoms to the ends. Wavy one hair, designate. If you like, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. I love you. Hope to see you with new videos. Take good care of yourself. I wish you a good day. My social media addresses. Friends available in the description section of my video. You can come to my salon by reaching here. Hope to see you.